Hi, y'all. I'm Bill.
I'm Nancy.
And we are the
The
Thin Blue Lane. Hi, everybody. It's Bill from the Thin Blue Lane. Nancy's out walking the dog, so I thought I'd take an opportunity to go over our budget for when I retire on December 19th, 2019. The official retirement date is going to be January 1, but I'm on vacation for the last couple of weeks of the year, so I already had that planned. Let's talk about, got my list here. Let's talk about the budget. When I go on retirement, I'm going to be drawing a pension. I'm going to get a sizable lump sum. What I'd like to do is try to get a budget that is around $2,000 a month. Let's see how we do. This is what I came up with. I need you, more experienced YouTubers and RVers, to tell me if I'm wrong. Say that ain't going to cut it, my brother. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? The first thing is going to be auto insurance, which is $115 a month. Gas and DEF for my diesel pickup truck is $168 a month, because we're only moving park to park every 21 days because we have the 1,000 Trails Platinum Plus membership. We've got that used, by the way. Cell phones, we have 2 phones now. We got rid of all our extraneous devices. We have 2 phones that have unlimited data and unlimited YouTube streaming and unlimited Netflix. And those are $110 a month for both. Propane is going to be about $30 a month. We use a lot of electric. We have a lot of redundant systems in this place, and we got the electric fireplace over here. The refrigerator can run on electric, can run it on propane, but a lot of you are saying don't run your propane going down a highway. I think I might do that anyway, but I don't really know. I'll turn off everything else, but I think we're going to leave the fridge running on propane. If I'm wrong, tell me what you think. I'm interested, seriously, in what you think. Groceries. Now, we already live in an RV, but we're making a pretty good income with both of us working, and we're going down to just one of us getting a pension, and that's it. We've been doing about $500-600 a month in groceries. We're going to go with 2 people and 3 dogs. We're going to see if we can do about $400 a month. Tell me what you think. Health insurance. This is a good one. We wouldn't have been able to do this if it wasn't for Christian Healthcare Ministries, is what it's called. And they're going to take my wife's pre-existing condition. She has cancer, if some of you don't know. But we're going to take, they're going to cover her and me for $340 a month for both of us. The RV insurance, just the trailer itself, the 5th wheel, is going to be $50 a month. The RV payment is $800 a month. I'd like to have paid that off before I retired, but things have happened, and that's not going to happen. But it will be our only debt. Haircuts and stuff, about $20 a month. That's an average, and I don't get my haircut every month. Y'all have seen videos of me with, I'm pretty stacked up, and you know, it just, if you don't use it, it rolls over. Um, Laundry, I got about $6 a month in there because I can wear a shirt more than once a day. I don't know what you feel about that, but I really don't know. Laundry can be 6 to 12 whatever dollars a month. We're just gonna we're not gonna have any dress clothes to do anymore, work clothes and things like that. We're just gonna have what we're wearing on a daily basis. Pet food and pet care for 3 Chihuahuas is about $56 a month. There's a lot of playroom in there. And what that comes out to be is about $2,095 a month. I'd like to do it for less. There's probably going to be something I haven't budgeted. Now, keep in mind, we do have a significant emergency fund. We're not stupid. We're Dave Ramsey students. So we have no debt, and we have an emergency fund. and I'm getting a lump sum distribution from my pension. I'm also going to get a small amount every month from my pension as well till I die. So if any of you out there have any suggestions about what I might have left out, and yes, I know RV maintenance and things like that, that's going to come out of our lump sum unless we get a online job. And if any of you have any suggestions, I would love to have an online job where I just sit down at this computer, maybe edit videos for some of you. Or, if nothing else, I would like to do some sort of data entry. I can even do customer service. I'm really good with people. Uh, my wife speaks Spanish and most of the dialects from all the Latin countries. So she would be a great person to do some sort of thing involving translations. If any of you have any suggestions for that, comments down below. And to build our page, we really need y'all to do some comments. What's that? We need you to like the video. The lovely wife here just came back from walking the dog, and she would like you to like our video.
Oh, hi guys. I didn't want to interrupt the budget, but he is the money guy. I am the spending girl. I am not good with money.
She's
So
good at following a budget.
we're actually a really good team. He gives me the budget. He tells me what I can spend, and I can go to the store and say, okay, this is how much I have, especially with the groceries. And I can make it less or do, whatever it is that I need to do. But
She's good with a budget. She's
I
very
wanted
good.
to also tell you guys thank you very much for watching us. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. That's really important. And also, if, like he said, if you have any comments on anything that we might have left out of the budget or something that you think that we need to include, just go ahead and hit us up in the comments and let us know what we need to do. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. I'll leave you back with the lovely white bill. See you guys soon.
Thank you for your input to the video there. Guest starring Fancy Nancy. I'm serious when I ask for your input. What do you think of these numbers? You think I'm crazy? Are they too high? Are they too low? Please keep in mind I do have an emergency fund for the breakdowns. We know they're going to happen. We've lived in this for over 3 years. So we do already know about living in an RV for 3 years. We just haven't traveled yet. The traveling starts on December 19th. I am having a retirement party on December 19th. I'm not going to tell you what I do till after that date. Some of you can figure it out. Some of you won't. But I'll let you know what's happening after December 19th. December 21st, we are rolling out of this campground and out of town. And we're just going on vacation. And we're not coming back. How fun is that? Let us know what you think. I really am interested.
Hi guys, Nancy here. Thank you for watching this video. We really appreciate your likes and your comments. If you see anything in here that you like, go ahead and comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.